What we're demonstrating here today is the RadioPro Link technology. This is our approach to giving you climate control and vehicle information on an aftermarket radio. Our approach is a little bit different than other competing solutions on the market. Our approach is compatible with any double-din radio with backup camera input. We are focusing primarily on applications, vehicle applications, where there's hard buttons for the climate control still remaining when you've replaced that factory radio. So I'll show you how this operates. Right now we're on the Sony radio function. When you make an adjustment, you just press a button and it will bring over our GUI and show you the adjustments that you're making on the screen. So if you're adjusting the fan control, you can get a visual feedback of where you're at. If you're adjusting temperature, it shows you this. If you're making any of these adjustments, it's going to also reflect. If you want to make other adjustments, so I'm going to stop for a moment and let it time out, right? So if you come to these controls and you make adjustments, you give it a moment, it's going to bring you back to the radio function, right? If you want to go there and make other adjustments or view other information, such as the vehicle gauges, you can do that, and it's going to stay here. It's not going to time out and go back because it knows that you've come here intentionally to do something, right? So you can view that information. When you're done, you hit back. If you want to adjust something like vehicle menus and options, you can come in here and you can make those adjustments. Again, it's not going to time out and send you back. It's going to allow you to do what you want to do, and when you're complete, you can either back out to the main menu like this, or you could just bounce back to the aftermarket radio function. Our advantages are that, one, we work on more radios than other competitors because it works on anything with a screen and backup camera input. The other advantage that we have is that because we control this environment, we can create a graphical user interface that mimics the factory radio graphics. So, thereby providing something that's familiar to that end user, right? Is that good? We always provide, are you still recording? We always provide a priority override for the backup camera. So if you put the vehicle in reverse, it's going to immediately kick over to the backup camera. We're just using this button for demonstration purposes. Of course, that would be the user putting the vehicle in reverse. So from a hardware perspective, what we're doing is we have our Generation 2 second generation RadioPro module connected to our RPA CVO device, which this is what drives the information that you've just been viewing. We're going to bundle this all up for specific applications as RadioPro 6 or RadioPro 7. The difference being if you need telematics integration or not. RadioPro 7 would provide that kind of integration for Uconnect, OnStar, BlueLink, other systems like that.
Thanks.
All right.